All right, y'all. I'm starting a new stream because I'm about to get in this Axo trade. Uh, Let me see. Let's get some information on the stock. First of all, free float 3.48 million free float. It's doing 15 million in volume. It's at $8. Previous close is 5. Let's see what it looks like on the hourly chart. Eh, it's bouncing off the 10 EMA. It's bouncing off the 10 EMA. That's a 5-minute candle. So where are we gonna go to? Let's see. If we get in at $8, what's gonna be our target out?
BEAT.
$12. That's $4.
BEAT.
That's a good trade. If we get 100 shares, that's 400. If we get 500 shares. So let's start with 100 shares. Let's start with 100 shares.
IBIT. BITR. RZLT.
Let me check my stochastic RSI first of all.
UBER.
Let me check my stochastic RSI. See where we at with it.
JZXN.
Alright. So it's not crossing up on the 1 minute yet.
PETS.
Nope. It's not ready yet.
BEAT. BEAT.
Let me see. BEAT tried to make a move yesterday. It's a dollar stock, so
BEAT.
now it's breaking out like it's doing yesterday.
BEAT.
But I see all black candles. I don't like that move. It's just move, move, move. So I'm gonna wait for the pullback. I think I assume, not assume. I see prior resistance here at $1.90,
BEAT.
or maybe $1.97. So I gotta get it off the 10 EMA. So I'm gonna buy at 196, and I'm gonna add again at 190. And if I'm wrong, then I'm out. If it breaks under 179, then I'm out. So if we get the fill, we'll ride out that trade because it was running from yesterday. So we'll see. Let me see what it's looking like on the 5-minute chart. Let's go to this screen here. BEAT. It's the 5-minute chart here. So this will be 179. I think that's where I'm actually going to wait at. Yeah, so I'm going to move my orders down to 179. 181.
BAC.
And 192. I'm going to wait right there. Where's 192? 188. Actually, the gap is at 172.
OSCR.
The gap is at 172.
OSCR. BEAT. BEAT.
So I'm moving my orders to 170, 172, and 170. I'm moving all my orders in this gap. If it never comes back to that gap, then I'm good. So BEAT, we got 1,000 shares at that's the first gap. That's the second gap at 150 actually. It might not. If it goes down to that second gap at 150, we'll add again. This PL is working, so how about we add 100 shares? It's working, so let's see, where is a good spot to get back in at? On the 5-minute chart. See, on the 1 minute. All right, 1636. Let's get 100 more shares at 1636.
NBIS.
1635.
SOXL.
We'll do 1637.
PL. PL.
CRWV.
BTTC, is it open back up? Nope, it's halted. There's a gap right here. It came down. It's $11. There's a gap right there. And then there's an even bigger gap on the 5-minute chart. Ooh, it went straight through that gap. That's no good.
FCX.
We're going to watch and see what it does. It's about to be halted again, down $7, 702. Yep.
PATH.
So we'll see what it does when it comes down to
WBPL.
about 640, 645.
PL.
Looks like an
OSCL.
order black right there.
OSCL.
PL is making highs.
PL.
We already got shares in there. We're not going to add. If anything, we'll take profits.
CDE. PL. F.
So this was the only good trade from yesterday that's working. And so I held on to it. Everything else I got out of. Lost $3,000 overnight.
PL.
Being stupid.
PL.
I'm not stupid,
PL.
but I very much do stupid things. That's the part people forget. Like you don't have to be stupid to do stupid things. Even smart people do stupid things. So I'm gonna sell 50% at I'm gonna take profits. If it breaks under this,
CDE.
I'm gonna use that stop loss as a trailing stop. You see red candles,
JBL.
but if it close red, then we take profit. If it doesn't close red, it could close red and it looks like a squeeze is happening, so could very much be up. There we go.
PL. PL. TTB. PL. F. PL. PL.
So I'm moving. I have stop loss for 50. There goes GLXG now. I think it's now time for a trade on GLXG. Let's check it out on the big chart. BTTC is halted to the downside. GLXG.
CDE.
Yeah. So
ACIURETO.
that's a heavy volume 1 minute candle.
CDE. F.
My stochastic RSI, it doesn't refresh right, man.
PL. F.
So PL is still
PL.
making.
F.
All right,
CDE.
so
MPLZ.
we got both
CDE.
crosses.
PL.
It came and bounced off of this gap.
PL. PL.
Do I wait till it breaks over? That's $4. That's $3.60. Or do I wait till it breaks back
SKIL.
over this $3.83? Yeah, I think we'll get back in once it gets over this $3.83. For now, PL. Oh, we got stopped out of 50. We took profits pretty much.
ACIU. XPEV.
Okay, so let's find the next trade. That's a 5 minute chart. Let's see what it's doing on the minute. So, yeah. I think I'm just going to sit tight. I expect to bounce off of this 352 here. Let's see. If it bounces off of this 10 EMA
RKT.
and start to make a way back and it breaks over this, I might get back in.
CDE. NGD.
If not, I'm going to wait for the break over 387, I think. All right, PL got a couple. CV.
UEC.
Yeah, I got out of that one too. I
JCXN.
was in there. It's moving slow. PETS.
AES. UEC.
AFJK,
UEC.
AFJKU,
Okay, now I like this one here. I like how this PETS is trading. But let's see. Let's check it out on the 5 minute chart.
TLT.
BTTC,
PL.
BTTC,
CMCSA. SBM. PL.
MSTZ,
AES.
TSLQ,
KO. T.
RGTZ, PSKY,
It's going for the break over
AES.
330.
WMN. PL. PL. LUMN. 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 PL. PL.
So PL is still making new highs. Yeah, folks, you gotta pack your patience, like Sharif would say. And
AES.
yeah, this
LUMN. LUMN.
is prior high here, or this one here,
MIGI.
292.
LUMN.
PETS. What is the news on PETS? PetMed Express confirms receipt of $4 per 5-hour unsolicited non-binding acquisition. $4 per share. I was what? $4 per share acquisition proposal from Silver Cape Investments. All right, that's what. So they're trying to. Somebody's willing to buy the company out $4 a share. All right, so now we're gonna wait for this pullback. We're definitely getting to this PETS. I like the way it's trading. PL keeps moving higher. There's no reason for us to get out of that yet. PETS. This the one here. We gotta see how we about to get into it.
LUNR.
UEC, PL. UEC. UECL. CLS. CLC. QS. SKIL.
Poet.
So it's been building up this liquidity here. This is low. It's got to try to break under this low. What time is it?
PL.
10:12. It's not even 10:30 yet. I know I could be in a bunch of trades right now, but
Poet.
PL. CLF.
I'd rather take it slow.
CLF.
Poet.
PL. QUBT. QUBT. GOGO.
So
QUBT.
yeah, PETS is coming back in.
QUBT.
I'm not quite sure where to. Let me see, where is the gap? Did it leave a gap? It came and tested on this gap, but it didn't make it to the bottom of the gap.
GOGO.
I think I'm going to wait for a bounce off of this previous high. So it's trying to get,
CDE.
but it already tested that low. So now it's got to break under that because it already tested that. It bounced off of it before. So it's testing it again. So I don't trust that. I'm going to wait
DAL.
until it breaks under this previous low right here, 285.
CDE.
I'm thinking about getting in around 281, 280
CDE.
if I see a bounce. If I don't see a bounce,
Poet.
we'll just keep looking for another stock. So let's go back to this group chart over here and let's put PETS right here. All right, it's right there in the middle. So we'll keep our eyes on that. ONDS is making new highs,
CDE.
but that's out of the range. I missed the trade from here at 827.
NGD.
There goes ONDS. As soon as I caught it out.
QUC. TMC. GOGO.
So PLPETS BTTC, is it back open?
JCXN.
Let me put BTTC up here. BTTC. Let's see if it's forming a bottom.
BRE.
Yeah, BTTC is forming a bottom. There goes PETS.
QUBT.
There goes PETS.
QUBT.
Come on.
QS. ONDS. QUBT.
All right, let's buy 50.
QONDS.
Let's hope it's not.
TMC.
Let's hope it's not the inducement, because that's not where I want to get in from.
Poet.
ONDS.
Did we get the fill? Oh, I was about to say, why did it look like we didn't get the fill? All right, so we got into PETS. Why did we get into PETS?
BBAI.
Because that high broke.
CLF.
It broke the
UBX.
two previous highs of the last candle, and it it closed over the 10 EMA.
UEC.
So
BZ.
that suggests that there's some strength in buying, And if we're wrong, we'll get out 10 cents down the line.
UEC.
ONDS is enticing me
TMC.
right now. ONDS is enticing me right now. And there goes PETS. We only got 100 shares. Because it wasn't, I wasn't too sure about the entry. That's not really where I wanted to get in the stock from. But
TMC. TMC.
I think once we break over this
UEC.
317, I'm going to get 500 shares at 318.
UEC. WULF.
So I have a buy stop at 318. So I'm going to sell 500. Let me
CRNL.
see.
WULF.
325.
WULF. WULF.
Let's sell 500 at 325.
QSNU. WULF.
So I'm using a buy stop. That means it won't buy until it goes. My buy stop is at $3.18. The stock is at $3 right now. So I'm expecting that when it goes over a certain price, it's going to explode to the top side. So I don't want to buy it until it goes over that price. And there it goes. Boom. 318. I should get the buy stop order at 318. Can y'all see that? Boom. So once it gets that explosion to the upside, now we got to sell 500 shares at 325.
QSCLT.
A low scalping move.
WULF. QSCLF.
So we're selling 500 shares at 325. Just quick scalp, just to show y'all what the idea is. And where Webull paper trading, you can't. So I already had 100 shares, but I got this other 500 shares just for this quick scalp. I think I could have moved my profit taker up some more, but yep, 325 was the high. So let's hope it hits it again.
USAR. 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 USAR.
MIST. MISLUG.
And it's getting rejected.
JOBY.
It's getting some rejection at that
USAR. USAR.
323.
UEC.
So since it already made a high at 325, I think now it has to break higher over that. So I'm gonna go to 330. That's 5 cents higher
CLF.
than 325.
CLF.
It looks like it's still pushing up higher.
CLF.
AFJK.
Boom, 328 high. So I'm at I got my profit taker set at 330. So this is how we're supposed to trade. Get in one trade, get out. Find another trade. Get in, get out.
UEC.
So I'm gonna leave 100 shares to rock out.
UUUU.
I'm at $3.30. It just made a high at 328.
UEC.
I'm not gonna move this one. I'm gonna wait at that 330.
UUUU.
And if it keeps going, I'm gonna have 100 shares. There goes 329, 330. Boom. We should have the fill. We should get the fill. Boom. 334. Whoa. Man, that's going up. The order has been executed. So we still have 100 shares to go. That's why I kept that 100 shares. So there goes PETS going to the top side. See this GLX? And PL is still trying to make moves. So we have 100 shares left. We just took, I think, 87 bucks or something. I don't know if it gave us any slippage to the upside, but yeah. And that's how we're going to build the account back up slowly. We got this one trade in PL that's working. I'm going to put a stop 100% stop,
EOSJOVI.
minus 25 cents for that. So
USAR.
if it breaks under VWAP,
JOVS, ACHR.
RR.
I'm out. We already took some profits out on that.
RR.
EOSE,
So PETS is working out. Let's see. Do we add?
ACHRVY, QS, ARRY, EOSE,
It just broke over that pre-market high. Yep. Pre-market high was 330. So it broke over that 330.
ACHR,
You know, after it breaks over the pre-market high, it's time to,
EOSCHRVG,
that usually suggests it's going to keep going higher.
BBJOVY, BBAIQS,
What we looking like on the 5-minute chart? Let's see.
CLF, BBAI, NIO, NCHS,
LUNR.
ACHRL, HL,
It's making a top and tail candle on that 5-minute chart. It's giving us a top and tail candle on the 5-minute chart. I don't like that.
ACHRQS,
Ooh.
UUUU, EOSE, HLS, EOSE,
USAR. USAR.
RR.
EOSE, NIO,
USAR.
LUNR.
Yeah, that 280
USAR.
looks like where we're going to have to bounce back from.
CLF,
But let's see. Let's go back to the minute chart.
CDE, CDE,
Just a nice pullback bouncing off the 10 EMA. Is it bouncing? It's bouncing off the 10 EMA. Let's add.
RR.
So, what did I just do wrong?
LUNR.
That candle didn't close.
NU, PL,
It's giving me the signs like it's bouncing. It wants to go back up. See, it's waking off of that 10 EMA. It's showing support, but it hasn't closed yet. Hey, maybe we're right. Maybe we made the right decision. So we got back 600 shares. BMNU is making moves back to the top.
NVTS,
LUNR.
ACHRVS,
BMNU.
ONUUU, BBAI, LUV,
This is what I'm listening to all day.
ACHR,
All right, so I'm in at 600 shares. If we break over this 334, I think I'm adding. You like that peace and quiet? All these stocks running up all day. That's what the stock market looks like, man. All day, all morning. BMNU. Let me turn the volume down a little bit in case it's too loud for y'all. GEMI. Let me check this MIGI.
MIGI,
Yeah, I was about to say, what is up with this MIGI? Let me see. MIGI. What are we doing on this MIGI? Okay, we bouncing off of VWAP. Okay, I'm getting in that MIGI. It's got the setup. We're going to let PETS do its thing for now. We got 600 shares, MIGI. MIGI was just bouncing off VWAP. This is not MIGI. MIGI. It's a $10 stock, so let's just get 100. Let's start with 50 shares.
MSTZ.
So we're gonna start with 50 shares. PETS is going in the money right now.
AES.
BMNU.
AES.
Uh,
GNI.
BELO. 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 BELO.
I'm not gonna get stopped out on this PETS. I like the momentum. Is up to the upside. It broke over the pre-market high. You know, it might wick down, but it's showing that it has buyers, it has support. Because it's bouncing off of this VWAP all day and the 10 EMA. It's just not breaking under the 10 EMA, give you a chance to get in. So I'm not going to get out just yet. I'm going to add to that one. I'm going to hold it for the, see if it rallies up to the top again. MIGI. Let's see. See how many low flows we got doing making moves today. VELO. AXIL and VELO. Let's see, what is VELO? All right, BTTC. BTTC. BTTC is giving us a setup as well. There goes GLXG. Now we get in GLXG. Let's get 50 at bid. We're going to get it on the bid. Going to wait for that. And BTTC, yep. Waiting for the trades, man.
UVXY.
Let's get that on the bid, too. We get 50 shares on the bid. We'll wait. I have a stop loss on this, PL. I'm not about to let you go all the way back down. We made profit on you. If that's where you end up for the day, cool. If you keep going back up higher, congratulations to you. I'm just gonna get in the, I'm gonna get in these trades that I can actively manage and get out of. Why is the account looking like that? It was just 100 and something. What's going on? Cause this guy here is making this move to the downside.
GNI.
It's gonna scare. It's not scaring me out of this trade. I've seen this before. If that's the end of the trade, I'm not getting out until it breaks under this 280 area. If it breaks under 280, then I'll get out. If not,
GNI. GNI.
yeah, 280. VELO.
GNI.
Didn't I just have VELO somewhere up here?
GNI.
Oh my gosh, BTTC, we just got 50 shares and it went right down against us. That's all right.
OCG.
GNI. GNI.
All right, what happened? Why is computer acting slow again? I don't know, man. This the streaming weighs on the computer, you know, graphics. And then I'm using all these charts and all this stuff, so I get it. There goes PETS. I told you I wasn't getting out of that. It's gonna. I'm not even using a stop loss on that on those kind of stocks, cause I know what I'm getting into.
VELO. INTZ. OPEN.
All right, computer is freezing up again, folks. I'm gonna end this stream. If you want to see what happened with the trades, catch the next stream. I'm gonna update y'all on the stream. Let me see before we do that though. I think PL. We got stopped out of PL in profit, so
KBUE.
that's the move. All right, but I gotta end this stream because the computer is acting very funny. Catch the next one. I'm gonna update you guys on what happened with the trades right now. Let me see. I'm on. I'm in PETS, BTTC, and MIGI. I'm gonna end this version of it. What time is it? 10:30. Yep, perfect time. And then we're gonna go from 10:30 to 11:30. We'll do another stream.